Many reasons why you would want to delete layers. Typically, it's done in situations where you have models or drawings coming in from another CAD system that you want to kind of work with in some way and update them to the current standards that you have. So I'm going to actually kind of show you here. We've got a bunch of different layers that some of them are defined by Creo and some of them are just kind of manually defined. And I'm going to come in here and we're going to actually run this using the layer delete command. And this will work with the active model by default. Well, excuse me, all models by default, or you can be specific about the models you want to modify. And you can also specify the layer name that you're interested in. Now, there is a little bit of caveat with this. Not all Creo releases kind of work the same with this command. So if you type in, for example, left screws as something you want to erase in this particular case, I'm going to go ahead and say do it. And you'll notice that even if I regenerate this, this still is being displayed. However, if I close this and open it back up, the in session one, you'll notice here that that layer did in fact get removed. So you can be generic about this. So if I wanted to come in and just say, star, go delete any layer that's out there and do it for any model, assembly or part that's in session. If I run this, it's going to go off and run through all those things. Again, I'm going to reopen that. It's in session and we'll take a look at the layer tree and you could see that we have purged all of the layers for that particular model. If we go to a particular component and take a look at it and its layer tree, you can see that those have been deleted too. So this is a pretty handy function if you're trying to clean things up, and you can use it for wildcards on either layer names or also models that are in session.